Coming up next, I talk with Jupiter businessman Enrique Pallares, who's launched a company called Hydro Alternative Energy. In an interview taped earlier, I asked Enrique what his company was all about.
Well, Hydro Alternative Energy comes from a basic idea of generating electricity, green electricity, from the world's most secure and steady energy source, which are the moving currents of the ocean.
Right.
So that's why we decided to come up not only with the corporation, but with technologies, acquiring patents and acquiring technologies that will be able to generate this electricity underneath the water.
You know, this has been this system type of thing has been thought of for years, and they've been trying to adapt it for years. But you are really doing this type of thing with the government of Ecuador for the Galapagos Islands. Tell me about that.
Yes. So what we did is basically gather some scientists. All of these technologies usually come up from the bright minds and bright ideas of scientists and engineers.
Right.
So a group of business people decided to join forces with engineers and scientists and take their ideas of generating electricity to the market. So we were able to package it into a proposal that makes sense for any government, and we decided to start with the Galapagos Islands.
You're going to test it there.
Yeah, we're going to test it there. And this is something that I was saying the other day. Charles Darwin decided to start and to develop the theory of evolution in the Galapagos. So we're going to prove the theory of electricity generation in the same Galapagos Islands.
Well, you are from Ecuador, so you're pretty familiar with the whole operation between the Ecuadorian government and the Galapagos. It's about, how far is it away from Ecuador?
The islands are about 600 miles away. And nowadays, they are transporting diesel to burn and to generate with thermoelectric generators.
I got you. So with using the currents that are going around the Galapagos, which is very powerful, and if you sink this turbine in there, you can eliminate the 600-mile diesel trip, right?
That's the idea. That's the
idea. Well, where's the money coming from? That's going to take, you know, we know this is going to take money.
Yeah, basically from private funding from Ecuadorian entrepreneurs and also from our company. I mean, we are willing to fund all this operation.
Right out of Wellington, because you're operating, right? You got your companies right in Wellington, Florida.
Yeah, we have our office in Wellington. We have another office in Jupiter, and we work from the two South Florida spots that we like.
Of course, and also you're out in Wellington because that's the polo capital of the world, and you're involved in polo operations. Tell me about that.
Yeah, I started playing polo many years ago, and
down in Ecuador.
Down in Ecuador, yeah. Actually, that's something that runs in my family for a couple of generations. So when we decided to move to the U.S., we have been coming to Wellington for, I don't know, 15 or 20 years already to the U.S. Open, to see the U.S. Open. So there was no other alternative. When I told my kids we're going to the U.S., they knew that it was going to be Wellington.
Well, all right. Well, listen, Enrique, God bless you and good luck with your hydro energy situation. And let's hope there's a huge success when you launch it down off the coast of Ecuador.
Thank you. We'll keep you posted, and you're welcome to come over to the Galapagos to see it.
All righty. God bless you, Enrique.
Thank you.
And stay with us. We'll return right after these words.